Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrainingsystem.com. First thing, happy birthday to me. Today is my birthday. And second is that I'm making this video about the trades taken today, only today, right? So let's get started. First trade based on this 40-minute chart. This 40-minute chart, Euro USD, I made it on the 21st June, right? Saying that, Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, 4, and wave 5 is supposed to be going here to 1747. So what happened to this chart? Today, it hit that area, right? So it went up this straight all the way to the upside. And I took several trades. But today, only today, I took two entries. One from 20-minute chart, it was right there, and for 100 pip, and the other entry is a little bit above this from 7-minute chart and right there. That's another 100 pip here, right? Second chart, I had pound USD, similar. I made on 22nd, saying that this thing is going to go from here to here, maybe all the way to 3680. So what happened to this chart is this. As of today, you can see here, all the way, bypass 3680 also. It went up there. And be ready, it's going to drop, right? So, yeah. So the trade I took today, based on this pound USD 40-minute chart, is this. From here, beautiful entry, 130 pip right there. Another setup chart, 40-minute setup chart, was this USD yen, right? And you can see that this is pointing, and I'm trading the all the way. I traded this way, then this way, then this way, and I made 40-minute charts all game. They are all on my website, by the way, right? But this is the last one that I made yesterday. That is gonna drop from here to here, and look what happened. Boom, straight up to 78%, and coming down. What I did. This is the trade. Coming down straight, this is the entry, and then all the way down, 95 pip. Right? Another one is gold, right? And gold chart, I made the daily chart, remember? Yesterday, I made even the video, and based on that, that is supposed to be going to the upside. I think I have the daily chart here. Let me see. Yeah. No, not this one. This is the USD, man. What's up? Let me see this one, right? So I made this chart. Well, this is today. I updated it, but I made this chart yesterday when we were here. That is gonna go up. I just changed the date today. That's it. One more candle is going on right now, but this chart I made yesterday, and I made the video, so you know that this is what the setup is. And I think that it's gonna go maybe to this high or this high, and then maybe it's gonna drop. Not gonna go all the way to the upside. But time will tell. But right now it's bouncing, so I'm looking to go to the upside, right? So long entry. So this is today the entry here. You can see that yesterday was the entry, and then all the way boom, 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 220 pip, right? Now let me show you something very interesting going on right now. This is the US dollar index. I made this on 15th February 2025. Right, this year in February, and right now we are in June. Actually, I made this chart way from above all the way here, from here, saying that we're going to be dropping, and then the first target was this inner TL, and then the second target will be this TL, and then this number 61%, which is 0390 is the number, right? 61%. So what happened to this chart? This was my ultimate, chart and the target. And then I made this chart, daily chart, on the 21st June, saying that, okay, we were here. And I said that that's exactly 61%, 0390, we're going to touch if we stay below the TL. And this is also 127 of this extension here. But this was the target, this white line, which is 61% from the monthly chart. And the number was 0390. And watch what happened today. Boom. We came and we kissed that line, 61%. So not 61% that line, 0390, but 127, 04, 13, that extension, and then we kind of like pulling back, right? So this is what happens, the USD, and maybe this will be, or maybe should be the end of the road to the downside. And if it is going to go to the upside, USD is going to get strong. For what reason, I don't know, but this is the technicals, right? Based on this idea, I have something that is telling me that the USD is going to get strong. Why? Let me show you. This is a US dollar, not US, USD CAD chart, right? And I had this like wave 3, wave 4, and this wave 5, ending wave 3. and we're supposed to be going for wave 4 to the upside. So this could be like wave A, black count, A, B, and then we will go up for wave C. Bounce from the USD will take us here, right? This is also, if you look at the blue count, it is going to be a bearish butterfly pattern. First pullback is 78, then 23, and then 127 or 161. Which one comes first? I don't know. I mean, this will come first, but which will we end where that is, the 127 makes a small butterfly. This one is also make but bigger butterfly. 161, right? But I think that somewhere here, so it could be 127 or 161. That's what my take is. If we stay above this line, make sure that we stay above this 35.88 and this 23% line, right? Which we are holding very nicely to the upside. So let's see what happens. So this thing is telling me that USD probably gonna get it strong, bouncing from that 61% from the monthly chart, and we'll send even Euro USD and Pound USD to the downside as well. Let me show you those charts, and they are where the heck they are. Okay. See, it already started to make the short. See this, my alarm is beeping at the Euro USD short, 40-minute Pound USD short beeping. See that? And Pound Yen also short. So Euro USD and Pound USD giving me a short signal on the 40-minute chart. So let's take a look at the Pound USD first. And you see that big move to the upside. And right now we already have a reversal candle and a red candle is underway right now, right? So it's a big move. And I said that somewhere here, we're going to make the turn and come back down here somewhere, right? So this is the before chart for tonight, right? So this can drop very easily. And I'll be looking for 7-minute entry, of course, right? And this one, remember I just showed you Euro USD. It finished the Fib 5 to the upside, and the extension from here to here is 161. And now from here to here, right? And this area, 1747, 78% of the weekly chart, and very well is gonna be dropping probably here, right? So this thing is also very good setup. Then pound USD CAD. I just showed you that it's gonna go to the upside. Similar, probably USD yen is gonna go up as well if USD gets strong. So let's take a look. And this is a chart I already made and posted on the website. And now it's not website. I think I posted on the Telegram, my Telegram. Yeah. Right. So some of these charts I'm gonna post again on the Telegram, right? After maybe like 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Let me see, just watch something else, and then I'll post, right? So these are a couple of good charts, and then I'll show you my trades when I take them, right? Tonight. Remember, Friday is very dangerous, and today was the final good trading day, and whatever comes is just like okay, what the hell, right? So, but I already have like how many trades this week so far? Let me show you. 28. All right. So I know a couple of trades like repeated, like maybe two of. So still 26 trades. More than enough. In June, by the way, right? Slowest month of the year, right? Now, the last thing that I want to tell you guys is that, like, since I have my birthday today, I'm not gonna tell you how old I am, but I'm pretty old, right? So, Omar gave me the idea. So, we're gonna be running. I want to share with you guys. So I'm gonna run 50% off of every single thing I have on my website, everything, including one-on-one or lifetime membership or the combos, any of those combos or courses or monthly subscription, whatever I have on my website is gonna be 50% off. If you're interested, email me. Right, maybe I'm gonna be running like today. Today is I'm already too late, right? So it's 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. already. So I'm gonna have it maybe today and tomorrow, or maybe over the weekend as well, right? So yeah, so this is what it is, right? So just email me. You guys know my email. myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. myforexmagicwave@gmail.com. It's always in the description anyway. So if you don't know, where to get it, just look in the description of this video and you will find it. All right. So just mention that you saw the video and then you saw the promotion and then interested in whatever, and Umar will take care of that. Right. So let me just go and take care of these. That what the heck is happening here. But yeah, I'm gonna be looking for short here. Pound yen, pound USD, Euro USD. They're all giving me short setup right now. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful rest of the trading week. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel so you can get all my videos on time. All right. So bye for now and talk to you guys later.